Hello and welcome to the Spiritual Sense 10-minute Kundalini Yoga series. This will be easy for everybody to do and try Kundalini Yoga. If you've never tried it, it's going to be super easy. Whenever I am saying a mantra, you can choose to chant with me or simply listen along, whatever makes you comfortable. So first, sit in a comfortable position and somewhere where you won't be disturbed and you can have time to yourself for just 10 minutes. And we are going to start the clock right now. Press your palms together, put a little pressure, and close your eyes. We're going to chant the mantra for Kundalini Yoga to surrender to the Guru within you. Take 3 deep breaths. Last one. Repeat with me or listen in. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. And last time. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Keep your eyes closed. Feel what you just heard, the mantra within. Surrender to the Guru within you. Relax your shoulders. Relax your body. Take another deep breath. And then you can open your eyes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a mantra with a movement. So this kriya is really easy. Basically, you're going to put your arms up with palms open. And you're going to imagine you're pulling something down and releasing and pulling your elbows behind you. So make sure you relax your shoulders. And what you're going to do is inhale, exhale on up, and always exhale through your nose. So inhale and exhale through your nose, like kind of fast. So inhale. Exhale really fast. And also as you're doing the inhale, you're going to envision and inside your mind say Sat and Nam as you exhale. So Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. Let's begin. And as you're doing this, make sure your belly is tucked in. Sat Nam, 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 Sat Nam. Your arms are going to start to get tired, but keep doing that. This is also testing your mind. because all of us hold tension in our neck and upper back. This is so important for that. If you're tired, you can stop, but if not, keep doing. And stop. Close your eyes. Feel the tension in your shoulders, your arms. Feel that release. Relax, relax, relax your shoulders. You can roll your shoulders. We tend to hold emotions, stuck energy all up in our upper back, and also with, if you're on your phone a lot, scrunching your neck down, that puts pressure on your upper back and neck. So Kundalini Yoga is for the entire spine, which is for the entire nervous system and your whole body. So relax, take a few deep breaths to feel that tension from your upper back and neck. Feel it falling away like a warm spring that has the mist rising above the water. Imagine the mist is falling off, rising up into your shoulders. This mist, as it leaves your body and your shoulders and your neck and your back, you feel completely free. The stuck energy is leaving. Imagine your upper back is warm and your neck is heated up. The stuck energy, the emotions that have been suppressed is leaving. And now see, mist is getting smaller and smaller as your back and spine get calmer and calmer. Keep taking deep breaths. And we're going to do that again. Arms up, open palms, and as you pull down, close your palms. Inhale and exhale. And stop. Feel the release again. Relax. Take some deep breaths. You can breathe out through your mouth this time. Release, release, release. Take loud, deep breaths. And shake your arms. Relax your body. Imagine as you're shaking your body, everything that doesn't serve you is leaving, it's flying off. Roll your shoulders. Now we're going to do some breath works with only a minute or so left. Now let's do Kapalabhati. Basically what you're going to do is sit on your knees like this, and you're going to take a passive in-breath and a really strong breath out. So and as you exhale, your belly is going in. This is called breath of fire. So here we go. And stop. So we're going to do that again. So remember, breath in is kind of passive. You almost don't hear it or feel it. And the breath out is really strong and expressive and loud. See, breath out, belly goes in. And faster. 1, 2, 3, let's go. And relax. Now we're going to close it out because it has been 10 minutes. Go back and sit in your comfortable spot. Relax your entire spine. Make sure your neck and back are straight. Belly is in. We're going to chant Om 3 times to close out the Kundalini Yoga. Press your palms together, close your eyes, and chant with me or after me Om 3 times. Keep your eyes closed. Now rub your palms together fast. Generate some heat between your hands, your palms. Pull your palms, separate them, and feel that energy going back and forth. Pulling your hands together and away. And now take that energy and with your palms press on your next to your face about 1/2 inch, and then your neck, your chest, your belly. Pass your hands to your legs, your feet, and then go back and pass your hands over your arms and hands, and then do that again. Rub your palms together one more time. Make sure you go also on top of your head. Pass your hands over your head, your face, your neck, chest. Feel that energy cleansing and taking away anything that doesn't serve you anymore. You can also touch your body as well with this energy. And put your palms together and say namaste. Thank you guys. This has been super fast and quick. Let me know what you think. I will be creating more in this series of Kundalini 10-minute sessions for beginners. Thank you so much for being here, and like and follow The Spiritual Sense on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you so much.